Hey, it's Albert here. All right, sorry for all the back and forth there. So just so you know, so if you do put in multiple tickets, this is what happens when you have multiple tickets for the same thing going in. Um, so if you just, it's just better to put in one ticket and just wait for the support team to reach out. I know it's frustrating, the wait time at, um, you know, I do understand that. So, all right, so let's get to your issue here. So you're saying that an automated email. I'm assuming you're filling out testing this funnel, and an automated email from another funnel is being sent to you. Um, so either you've chosen the same uh, email, right? So let's just go through this. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm going to go through and look through your edits and look for this here, right? So if you have this through multiple funnels, that would be a reason. Let me see here. So you would have to go through each of your emails, all right, and make sure you have the correct emails for each sequence, right? That's going to be the first thing, starting with the basics, all right. And then also, I mean, it looks like so your default page is set correctly. Here, page set correctly. All right, so let's go to now. If you have any archived pages, right? So if you're any of your pages that you have archived, or if they're in another funnel, and any of these sequences from other funnels, if they have the same page path, okay, say if you're in this funnel currently and an older funnel or another funnel somewhere else in your account shares the same page path, okay, and you go through that sequence, you go through this page, you go through, you do the opt-in, and then the automation gets kicked out, okay. Now if you have that same setup somewhere else in your account, okay, and those two pages share, so if a page in this funnel and a page in another funnel share the same page path, it's going to cause some confusion in the system. The system is going to attempt to read both pages, one in this funnel and the one in another funnel, okay? And it may cause an email from another funnel to get kicked out, right? So you think that you're in this page, you think that you're in this funnel, you're filling it out, and you don't realize that you may have an exact replica page path somewhere else in your account, okay? And it's triggering automated emails from that page. That is also an option. So I would say, I don't know exactly what funnel, you didn't mention it, what funnel you're getting the automated email from. All right, so I'll need that information. The best thing to do when you're trying to explain an issue to us, um, it's going to be for you to use a video like we're doing, just like this right here. The best thing for you to do is get a video recording of what's going on, go through your process, go through your opt-in. Otherwise, I'm just guessing, and it's just going to take longer for us to go back and forth. So you're better off just right off the bat creating a video saying, hey guys, this is the funnel I'm having issues with. This is the step I'm having issues with, and then show the result, right? So otherwise, I'm just trying to guess of what step you're talking about, okay? So go ahead and please, if you could, make a screen video, screen recording, please, okay? And also just double check if you have any archived steps or funnels that may have similar page paths, okay, that also have that automated email step in it, okay? All right, so go ahead and double check those things and let me know what funnel you're having the issue with. I'm assuming it's this one, but I don't know what funnel the other email may be coming from, so I'm not sure. All right, so I'll just need you to kind of walk me through all that. All right, thanks.